Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're facing the Facebook Messenger issue after updating to iOS 17, then do the following steps. Facebook Messenger app won't open. When we try to open, it disappear or just show Messenger login screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to tap and hold the app store, then tap on updates. Here we have to check the list, is there is any update available for Messenger. If is there is, then we have to update the Messenger app first. After update the Messenger app, if you're still facing the same issue, then force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. Here, force restart, launch settings. Here we have to tap on General and tap VPN and device management and check the list, is there is any beta version. If is there is, then remove the beta version and back to stable version. After that, go back to settings and General and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then do the following final step. Tap and hold the App Store, tap on updates and update the Facebook app as well. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.